mga sawi ay i-greet ninyo sila or i-message ninyo sila on December 24 or December 25 ng Merry Christmas and kung ano man yung personal na Christmas greetings ninyo sa kanila at baka this will reignite the fire between the exes.
Nasa lahat sa mga marupok ba?
Para sa mga marupok ngayong Pasko, sana ay maregaluhan kayo ng katatagan na huwag bumigay kaagad ng mga abogado kasi alam niya na napakaraming mga abogado ngayon ang kinuha para sa iba't ibang mga kaso, pero nagsabi na rin ako through my brother kasi yung kuya ko yung sinabihan niya, nagsabi ako na huwag na lang siya magpadala ng pera dahil nakapaghanda naman na kami para sa impeachment case. Kasi yung sinabi niya impeachment case, sir. So sabi ko nakapaghanda kami sa impeachment case kasi nga last year nag-announce na si Franz Castro ng impeachment. So the moment na sinabi yon and the moment na nakita namin na tuloy-tuloy yung attacks against me, ay naghanda na rin kami para sa mga abogado. Why not call the office of the president who has billions and billions of confidential funds? I'm not being evasive. If you are referring to the budget hearing and the hearings in the House of Representatives, I'm not being evasive. I am not answering the questions because they have no authority to ask confidential questions. I am answering questions about the use of the money in the Commission on Audit, and there is no, you ask the Commission on Audit if there was anything at all that they can say or see that we are not cooperative with the audit. So it is wrong to say that I am evasive. I am definitely not answering questions about the use of the fund, about confidential funds, because it pertains to national security and the lives of the people involved in intelligence operations. And yes, as I said, we have fully cooperated with the audit process of the Commission on Audit, who has the sole jurisdiction to ask questions about the use of confidential funds. In fact, 2/4 of the Department of Education are already cleared by the Commission on Audit, but it is still being questioned inside the committee in the House of Representatives. So that is the reason why I am not answering questions from the House of Representatives. Plus the fact that, as I said, it is an attack. It is a political attack. If you are in aid of legislation and you want to legislate about confidential funds, you do not target one office and terrorize and torment the employees of that office. What you do is you do a sampling, a random sampling of the offices who have confidential funds. Why not call the office of the president who has billions and billions of confidential funds if you want to legislate about confidential funds? So that shows that they're singling out the office of the vice president, and I really feel that it's very disrespectful to the office of the vice president. That is also why when they ask that I respect their process, you know, respect begets respect. So if they want respect, they should first respect the office of the vice president. That is what I was saying, that they don't like me, they don't like my person, they don't like Inday Sara Duterte, but they have to respect the office of the vice president. So if they want to investigate confidential funds, they don't single out one office.
I understand, ma'am.
No, I do not feel secure. As I said, that there's always been bias because when we see, say for example, DOJ, iniimbestigahan nila yung press con. Pero hindi nila iniimbestigahan kung bakit kami umabot dun sa presscon na yun. Iniimbestigahan nila ang kuno, pero they've not ever investigated against me, which are all documented, but we do not give them the information because we don't trust them at all. Later in public opinion, and that is the strategy.
Yung audio nandun sa kabila. Baka may nabuli.